Hi, I'm Raunak Chauhan. I'm from India. I'm studying in BSBI, MA in Finance and Investment. Earlier, I was a banker. I worked in IndusInd Bank for about 1 year. And in my studies, I have done my master's, I have done my MBA from Maharaja Christian College, and I've studied in BCom in Delhi University also. I want to be an investment manager or asset liability manager for a company, so it will enhance my career. I'm in finance. I will learn Islamic banking operations and a lot of IFRS concepts, which are nowadays much popular. IFRS is International Foreign Concepts of Accounting. BSBI is providing a course which is loaded with lots of video interactive lectures, and they have testimonials also. And BSBI has a multi-language class, multicultural class, so I'm enjoying here and studying in BSBI, and they have very renowned teachers which are providing good education to all of the world. Teachers and tutors are very open-minded, and class is also interactive. Everybody is participative and everybody is from different countries, so they put their views. So getting views from different people about different countries and so it makes our class amazing. Campus is nice, campus is amazing. It's loaded with lots of basic amenities as well, and coordinators are well supported, and our seniors are also very supportive in campus. You can access to ebooks, you can take help from your advisors, you can even take your help in making your CVs and curriculum vitae and the latter also. So it's quite amazing. Berlin is punctual kind of a city, I would say. People here are different and people are from everywhere in the world. So there are lots of diversity here, which I found in Berlin. While I would say to future students that BSBI is a very amazing place to learn, to make your career, to be ahead in your career, and it's loaded with fully supportive teachers and seniors. So I wish them all the luck. I wish them good luck in their career future.